Namaskar. Nutrient deficiencies are very common nowadays because of the importance given to fast food, packeted food, and something to munch quickly and move around. The place of fruits and vegetables are gone. The place of eating peacefully is gone. And so deficiencies are bound to occur. To overcome these deficiencies, people are having a habit of eating some supplements. Here are calcium pills, multivitamin pills, B complex pills, and so on. So this has become a very routine for everybody. But remember that these supplements have their own disadvantages, and we should always go for something which is natural and it is available. Why not to go for that? If you see these supplements, their absorption is not as good as the natural food. Absorption is much less. And otherwise also, when you take more supplements, it is going to bring lots of health hazards in your system. For example, if you are taking more iron and calcium in your body, then this is going to reduce the effectiveness of antibiotics in your body. Also, too much of vitamin C can cause even diarrhea. So, these supplements have lots of health hazards. So, better don't take supplement. Go for natural, normal, healthy food. In certain cases, supplements are required, like during pregnancy or for lactating mothers or during menopause. Even people who have lots of allergies about certain foods, they need to take supplement, but only under doctor's advice, proper dose and systematically. Let's understand how we can replace these supplements through natural food. Number 1. Replacing calcium tablet. Generally, people with arthritic condition, bone issues, pains of different joints take to calcium tablets. Leg muscles are paining, calcium tablets. But we should know how to replace this through a natural food. Understand, dairy products like milk, cheese, yogurt, they are very rich in calcium. You should take yogurt every day at your lunch time, breakfast time, or snack time. Another good source of calcium could be green leafy vegetables and especially spinach. So consume these natural foods. They are not only good in calcium but good in many other things, and they are really rich in fibers which would help better digestion. Second, vitamin supplements. There are two kinds of vitamins, water soluble and fat soluble. Water soluble vitamins are those vitamins which your body absorbs whatever body can or wants, and rest of the things body can expel it out. So it can never hurt you or harm you. Fat soluble vitamins are those vitamins whose excess is stored in liver and fat tissues. Nowadays very often we hear this problem as fatty liver. One of the major causes is this excess of fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Vitamin B complex includes 8 kinds of vitamin B: B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B10 and B12. All these vitamins you can get from whole grains and cereals, sprouts, again beets, potatoes and avocados. Milk and milk products are the excellent source of B complex. Also, fermented food like idlis, dosas, dhoklas, rice and curd is a perfect source of B complex. Only you should mix rice and curd in the morning and eat this in the afternoon. Fermentation would be there and it would be a rich source of B complex. Beans like chickpeas, black beans or kidney beans are great source of vitamin B. In fruits, banana and watermelon, you should consume this as far as possible. Now vitamin C. Everyone knows that you get this from citrus fruits, you get this from lemon, you get this from amla. Good source of vitamin C. In our body, even though body throws the excess out, but if person is taking in tablet form high dose of vitamin C, it is going to harm. But a high dose of natural vitamin C, like all these fruits which we have told you earlier, is never going to harm you. you can eat more amlas, you can eat more bananas, you can eat more lemon juice. It will never harm you. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamins A, D, E and K. Vitamin A, which is very good for eyes, essential for eyes. Vitamin A you can get from carrot, papaya, mango and sweet potatoes. Vitamin D, which is so good for your bones, is available through sun. So be in sun for some time, or in food you can get it from mushrooms. Vitamin E, so essential because it protects your cells from getting damaged. Vitamin E is available in sunflower oil and safflower oil, and it is available in nuts like peanuts and almonds. Vitamin K, which is so good for blood clots, it protects you from excessive bleeding. Vitamin K is available in cabbage, cauliflower and all green leafy vegetables like dill, like methi, like palak and all other vegetables around, which really helps in bringing vitamin K and helps in a good fibers, helps in a good metabolism, and so these things should be taken in routine in our meals. Third, protein supplements. Generally, people take protein supplements for muscle building, but all these protein requirements you can get from natural food too. Foods like sprout, tofu, paneer are most natural sources for protein. Also, nuts, all varieties of nuts, could be almond, cashew nut, pistachio, hazelnuts, all varieties of nuts and seeds give you good amount of protein. Well, so you should understand that there is no need to have these artificial supplements. In case of some emergencies, some sudden problems, you need to take, but for some time. For lifelong, person should definitely depend on a healthy, normal food in your life. Like you must eat 4 times in a day. You must see that you are eating these healthy foods which we have explained. Fruit has to have a place in your daily routines. All these leafy vegetables, at least one in a 4 meal, you should have it. Try and see that you have a very balanced yogic sattvic food, and all these supplements are given to your body. There won't be any deficiencies. Rather, eat food happily, joyfully and with good peaceful state of mind. Do that and you will benefit a lot. You will benefit from all angles and you will be full of zest and enthusiasm, full of energy all the time. Deficiencies need not come to your body. Namaskar.